Hair maintenance isn't always an easy task, and we know that even after a lot of effort and time, there are still going to be a few strands that insist on frizzing up. Frizz can affect all hair types, and it reflects the health status of everyone's hair. When your strand's pores are wide open, they lose moisture and nutrients and become opaque, dry, and brittle. In this state, our hair can't lay down flat and ends up frizzing. There can be several different causes: chemical procedures, such as coloring and straightening, excessive sun exposure, wind or dry weather. If you have white hair, you've probably dealt with this issue as well. Luckily, there are some natural alternatives that hydrate and control your hair. Eggs. Eggs are rich in all of the proteins that affect our hair follicles and are able to hydrate the dried out strands. If you want to combat frizz, simply add 1 egg to 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix well. Run the mixture through your hair and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Avocados. Avocados are rich in good fats, which fight dryness and nourish our hair. Try pureeing an avocado and adding it to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair and let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse well. Honey. Like the other ingredients we mentioned, this golden liquid nurtures and combats the main cause of hair frizz, dryness. Honey by itself is already great for your hair, but if you want to, you can mix it with other ingredients, like milk. Add a cup of milk, preferably coconut, to 2 tablespoons of honey and apply it to your hair. Leave this hair mask on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. After applying any of these treatments to your damaged strands, you can rinse them with carbonated water in order to boost shine. Why? The water we wash our hair in usually contains chlorine, which ends up affecting our hair even more, especially for those that have dyed their hair. Carbonated water doesn't contain chlorine and is also made up of more beneficial minerals. Try these tips and say goodbye to frizzy hair. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.